Incubeta is a digital marketing services agency. We have offices all the way from Australia into South Africa, across most of Europe, into New York and Los Angeles as well. We are proud to work with some of the biggest brands in the industry, such as Marks & Spencer, L'Oreal, Disney.
It's an incredibly fast-paced industry. We have to really be nimble and be at the forefront of what we do as an industry. And at the same time, our reporting requirements, whether it be to our auditors, our banks, our stakeholders, is getting quicker and quicker. They're demanding information much faster than before.
Historically, we captured stuff very much in an aggregate fashion, so the degree of granularity just didn't exist in our system. And now with the system defined to give us that level of granularity, and in a fairly easy manner, I'm able to extract that data and spin it into any sort of view I want. That's really been one of the biggest wins for us.
What Acumatica gave us was that flexibility to customize a solution that worked best for our business. And we crafted a solution together with Palladium Business Solutions, our implementation partner.
One of the things with Incubeta was obviously reporting. Multi-currency, multi-country. I think there's 22 or so companies now in the group, and it's growing. They're importing a ton of information and invoices, so there's a lot of integrations. Acumatica is providing the tools for us to grow with them.
I think the cloud solution is probably the best thing for us. We don't have to worry about the investment or the maintenance required for physical IT infrastructure and the various security protocols around most of that. It makes working remotely really possible.
During COVID, the impact on our business was so minimal that one of the team members pointed out that working seamlessly on Acumatica was the difference between working on a smartphone versus working on a Nokia 3310.
If you were to ask the team the best thing about Acumatica, they would say the Acumatica mobile app, because of the speed at which they get reimbursed for their expenses.
It's about investing wisely. It's about getting bang for buck. It's about spending where you need to spend and not spending where you shouldn't be.
If you work for a business that is really wanting to expand rapidly into various different territories and really become a truly global organization, I would highly recommend Acumatica to support the business on that journey.
The scalability of the Acumatica solution allows us to bring users in on almost an unlimited basis, which means that our revenue ambitions are literally limitless.